Ltd, and today I'm going to share with you a highly requested video. Many of you have been asking me in the comments, how do I make vegetable stock? Now we know vegetable stock is essential for some soups and stews. It really enhances the flavor. You can also make a chicken stock or beef stock, but today we're making vegetable stock. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 1 large carrot. You may use 2 if you have 2 at your disposal. We have some day-old celery stalks, a bunch of parsley, 1 large onion, some thyme, 2 bay leaves, a pinch of black pepper and a pinch of salt, 2 garlic cloves, and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Our first step is to chop our ingredients. So we're going to chop them roughly, our celery. Then we're going to chop the carrots, and then we're going to chop the onions. Oops, we're going to chop our garlics in half as well, because when you chop the garlic, it helps to release that flavor. Now we're going to get ready to cook. So we're going to take our oil, first ingredient, add it to the pan. Make sure it covers the bottom of your pan. Once that has been covered, we're going to add our onions. We'll allow our onions to cook first. We'll start to cook for about 2 or so minutes. Get a nice caramelization going on. Then we're going to add the other ingredients. This entire process should take about half an hour, sometimes 45 minutes depending on the pot you're using. But it's going to be so good. This smells so good already. Now we're going to add our garlic, and this will just amp that flavor. You will feel like a real chef when you're smelling onion, garlic, and sweet pepper, but we're not using sweet pepper today. Once that is sauteing, it gives an amazing aroma. So all of the other ingredients will go in at this time. We're going to add the carrots. We're going to add celery. We're going to add the parsley, the thyme, bay leaf. Then we're going to add some water. Our salt and black pepper. Allow it to reach a boil. Then we're going to turn the stove down and allow it to simmer for about half an hour. We'll allow all of the vegetables to cook completely. It will extract all of the nutrients, all of the flavor into our stock. And this is what we will use to enhance our soups and our stews. It has been about half of an hour and our vegetable stock is done. Our vegetables are all wilted, totally cooked, release all of that amazing flavor. Now we're going to just we'll separate the liquid from the solid, and what will be remaining is the vegetable stock.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise.
Our vegetable stock is done. Just look at it. Clear and so aromatic. You can just smell the carrots. You can definitely smell the onions and the garlic. This is really going to elevate the dish that you choose to use it with. It's great for soups, great for stews. Vegetable stock. Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other recipes, and once you've watched them all, click the button below, subscribe, and press the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.